guys, so for today's video I'll be showing you how to do a rose nail art or accent nail without the use of nail art tools. So for my base I used the Nail Trend nail polish in this shade of wine pink. I already did applied 2 coats of that. You will also need a plastic lid to apply the nail polish for later. So for the rose I'll be using a dark pink nail polish in the brand Lotus, and I'll be using my toothpick, the thicker side, to make a kind of a circular any circular shape, and will be using the base the nail polish that I use for my base again to kind of somewhat make a lighter pink nail polish. And once you finish mixing, you can start making a spiral kind of shape. You can just take your time here. I know it's quite difficult. And after that you can take a green shade of nail polish for the leaves of the rose. You just have to make a kind of a V shape on both sides. And after that you can just take your top coat, and that's it. It's finished. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and don't forget to check my next video. Bye.